I most certainly do not understand.
I'm afraid I must resist.
Ayo lo beliin apa sih? Jajanan ciki-ciki.
Enggak air tuh.
Very well, nothing strange. If you will follow me.
Saya udah kalau 2 jam tak makannya pasti itu
Pasti ludas.
iya.
Kakak baru bangun, sakit kok begadang. It's okay.
The thing's downfall washes away all enchantments. It can be deadly.
Just out of interest, is there any other way out?
No.
Devil asked all you to be down here. Thieves!
Cave up the curious.
That doesn't sound good.
I see you bring it up. Here. You've been trying to respect time when it ain't alone.
That's our barracks.
Why?
Accian Horcrux.
Seriously, gonna try that one again, are you?
Sama sekali nggak bisa accent British tuh.
Is it in here?
It's just too hard.
Can you feel it?
Hard to say. Gimana sih ngomong malah ngomong. Yun ya.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Indian accent. Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's it. Up there.
Oh no. Oh no.
Everything you touch will multiply.
Give me the sword.
What happened?
getting you out.
Emma Watson ini.
Okay. This is so good. That's unfortunate.
We can't just stand here. You've got an idea.
Sure, brilliant, right?
I've got something, but it's mad. Reduction.
Perut ya? Wala. Wala eh.
Why aren't you sleeping at this hour? So do you. Kayak Monik aja masih bisa gabut ya. Nggak sih. Jalan dong. Fitur jualannya dipersulit. Syaratnya makin banyak.
No, I think it was restricted because it's a move up. Have you seen the news? No, yeah.
Emang jualan terus di TikTok aja. Wait guys, aku lagi nyari film. Hi. What are you looking for? I'm just looking for berita-berita government yang katanya ini TikTok nggak bisa diakses lagi or something. Emang pemain bagus ya itu.
Count.
Kamu nih kapan Sunplus ada di Bandung? Offline store. Offline store. Soon ya. Guys, aku nunggu followernya ke 700. Tapi susah sekali. Love you guys. Nggak, aku nggak susah tidur. Ini sebenarnya aku juga ngantuk.
Tidak punya Memang pernah merasakan tidak bisa
Tidak,
Bisa berarti.
selalu
Bisa.
Nice.
It's a gift.
Kamu nggak bisa?
Enggak lagi nggak bisa.
Will you make OFO? Nope. No.
Another 100.
Another 100.
69999.
Wow. Bentar lagi 700 TikToknya guys. 700k followers. Ini tuh 699,9k followers, 6,9 million likes.
Wow.
Okay, everything about 9.
69.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, ma'am.
Bagus angkanya.
Save yourself. Save yourself. Save yourself.
So hot.
Unfollow everything until it's following 69. It will be 69, 6999, 619.
Si. Menarik ini, menarik. Dipikir-pikir Kak Moni nanti internasional kayak Monica Bellucci gitu, ngerti nggak? Nggak. Kayak jadi memang, ya aku memang suka banget sama Monica Bellucci. Terus siapa lagi ya? Cameron Diaz. Terus ada lagi Charlize Theron. I love them. Terus pokoknya yang mukanya tuh berkarakter unik-unik gitu. Kak, bibirnya filler Kak, pretty, pas volumenya. Kalau nggak pakai apa? Oh ya, aku memang filler. Terus pakai lip liner juga kalau lipstick kan, jadi memang lebih bagus. Karena untuk lip fillernya sendiri juga nggak yang, bukan yang lebar banget sih sebenarnya, kayak cuma ngeplam aja. Oh iya, jadi pelampi abis cocok. Iya, cocok. Kalau mata asli ya. Kalau mata emang begini. Cuman emang pakai softline aja. Miwing. Am I? Okay. Alisku kayak ketebelan ya guys. Level kecil kamu udah di level Monica Bellucci sama Ana de Armas. Mereka berdua kesukaan aku loh. Aku suka banget sama mereka berdua. Yeah, probably it's time to me untuk move keliling mana dulu ya? Europe atau Amerika guys? Kalian voting coba. Should I ke US dulu atau Europe? What if you case for the next Catwoman? Please don't. I'm not ready for this. Like, it's just my hobby. It's just, you know, like I love to play a role as a Catwoman, but only for my apa ya, collection. I'm so scared. Girl, anywhere except in Indo. Waste potential banget hidup di sini. You were so gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah. I know. You know what? Like, apa ya? So gini, jangan dipikir kalau yang dapet rejection itu cuman kamu, dan kamu terus jadi ngerasa I'm nobody because you got rejection. No, please don't, because same as me, I still got rejection many times until this day. And yeah, that's normal. Tapi jujur di sini memang susah banget sih. Kayak apa ya, seksi gitu tuh banyak juga yang masih belum bisa untuk menerima. Ya, rejection is normal. Tapi saat aku nggak bisa tumbuh di tempat yang selalu rejection terus ya, probably it's time to me to move somewhere. I don't know. Like, what am I doing? I'm just take a picture, take a video with bodycon, with lace bra sets, or yeah, something giving sexiness. Then like many people somehow overreact about it, but I don't mind. Seriously. Hal apa yang membuat kakak menyesal dalam kehidupan? No, aku cuman kayak guilt sering banget. Karena kalau pas aku lagi sakit gitu biasanya aku guilt, kayak gemes banget. Kalau hidup 3 hari nggak dapat apa-apa tuh aneh gitu rasanya. Setiap hari bahagia kah? Harus dong. Your weight and hate. Why are you asking me like that? Hello Malaysia. Do you have some exclusive content? Yes, I have. Kau pakai mini dress ya? Nope. Rambut aku panjang banget. I have very long hair. Like, look at that. Sudah malam, di situ jam berapa? Sama, di sini juga udah malam. Udah pada bubuk semua di sini. Di sini udah pada tidur semua, guys. Setiap hari sibuk kah? Gak pernah santai gitu? Have you ever think to dye your hair? No. Because I love very very long hair. It's giving epic. Looks like wow. Iya, iya tau gak sih? What? Anjir, saya pikir Angelina Jolie. No, I'm not Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jogja. Because I'm from Yogyakarta. Pakai outfit apa gak hari ini? So today I'm wearing actually lebih gak boleh gitu kamu. I really love to having sexy energy beds, but oh yeah, finally I got 700k followers. Thanks a lot, guys. Means a lot to me. Finally. Okay, so this is my looks today. Just same tops with those pants. Kayak pernah ditawarkan sinetron kah? Pernah. Pakai outfit apa kayak ini ke bawahnya? Like camel apa ya? Pants. Kenapa? Terlalu seksi buat kamu. Kenapa kalian gak pada tidur udah jam segini? Atau emang terbiasa nocturnal? Oke, tadi yang nanya apakah harinya padat terus gak pernah santai? Ya sebenarnya sih kalau padat-padat, tapi di bawah santai. Terus juga ditambah lagi aku kemarin habis ambruk berhari-hari, jadi kayak aku merasa lagi memulai hari lagi gitu. Di rumah apa di office kak? Ini aku lagi di office. Aku lagi bermalam di office. Aku tuh udah berapa lama lo nggak kesini loh? I don't know.
It's been a few days,
Yeah. It's been a few days. I didn't go to office. Yang dulu private life sekarang harus sharing, gimana kak? Siapa yang private life? Even sekarang sering sharing pun juga masih ada private life. Semua orang deserve private life. Kecil atau besar, tetap ya kita harus punya private life. Why are you asking me like that? So guys, I think I'm going to back home to get some rest. Morning. To get some rest. Why don't you post all of your TikTok contents to and the otherwise? I think susah sekali nyebut nama. Cannot. Sorry, I cannot explain it. I can. Where you came from? I can. Sorry, I cannot explain it because so many rules. I got restriction, isn't it?
Sorry?
Restriction.
Yeah.
I got restriction.
Violation.
If I explain it about like
Other apps.
other apps. I have followed you since in Jogja. Oh, I see there are different between your and TikTok. Yeah. See, my is more complete than TikTok because I grew up on I grew up on since 2013. Since 2013, yeah. Wow, it's been a while. Time flies. Okay, so it's like 2013. It's almost 12 years. I grew up on it. Nyari apa Rinda? Ada lotek. Ada lotek. Your content with your husband is so cute before. Oh, thank you. Monica nggak tidur ya? Sini.
Have you ever heard Rinda speaking English?
Never.
She is a teacher.
Yeah. So guys,
I can speak English.
mau kemana?
Belakang bisa. Ambil sesuatu.
Hello, where are you from? I wish I came from, I don't know. But I'm glad you're back to Europe again. Oh, so you were from, where you came from? Why you didn't answer me? God, you're so hot. Back in the days. What do you mean? Sekarang udah apa kalian bule sih? Yeah, my English not really good, but I'm trying.
You good?
Like, you were one of the hottest Insta Indonesia model. Nah. Aren't you afraid of harassment? Oof.
No.
No. Because
I know how to boundaries.
because I know how to boundaries.
To stay away from trouble.
Yeah. I prefer to stay away from the trouble. And I am not troublemaker. I always believe if I have strong boundaries, yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Like, no matter what I wear, isn't it?
Yes. Just always go to safe place.
Yeah. Go to safe place. Sorry, mister, I didn't see your comments, but wait a second. I'm just looking for someone who asked me about... Oh, found it. Will you be live again on Saturday night? I think Saturday night.
Yeah, it's Saturday morning.
It's Saturday.
Saturday morning. Saturday.
Capek banget katanya. Iya. So it's Saturday, guys. Cameramen like to be naughty or not? No, because the cameraman is my husband sometimes. Yeah. So, ladies and gents, I have to go. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next time. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't leave. Why? Get some sleep. Mau kemana? Do you speak Russian? Am I look like Russian? Am I look like Slovenia?
Keep it down here.
Yeah, I'm a married woman. Ajarin pronounce biar lancar. Just keep going. Dipakai. Practice, practice, practice. I guess it's true what they say. Practice makes perfect. Kak Hoki seumur hidup your husband sumpah. Ya karena aku udah ngantuk. Aku sudah mengantuk. Suara kakak enak didengar. Dewasa banget. Where you came from? I can't. Kapan sebelum end live countdown dulu 10 to biar aku edit, nggak mau. Hi Mi. Spill bahasa Jawa. Aura kayak strong woman. Yeah, I am strong woman. Even strong woman needs love, darling. Strong man needs love. Bye bye guys. I have to go. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, no.